Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Lexicon Ledger.
Hi, Eileen. Hi, everyone.
How are you doing today, Aleena?
I'm feeling relaxed because it's almost the weekend. How about you?
Same. I'm a little excited. Today, we are talking about how to talk about your weekend in English.
Yes, this is super useful because people always ask, "What did you do last weekend?" Or, "What are your plans for the weekend?"
We will learn easy English words and simple sentences so beginners can answer confidently.
If you're enjoying this episode, please take 1 second and click the like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our new episodes every week.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, Aleena, imagine the week is finished. It's Friday evening. What is the first thing you usually do?
Oh, easy. The first thing I do is chill out or relax. I take off my shoes, sit on the sofa, and just do nothing for a while.
Chill out. That's a good phrasal verb. It means to relax and do very little.
Yes, sometimes I hang out with friends. We meet and talk or go eat something.
What does hang out mean exactly?
It means spend time together with no big plan. Just enjoy.
Nice. Do you ever catch up on sleep on the weekend?
All the time. I have a lie-in. That means I sleep late, maybe until 10 or 11 a.m.
Oh, I love a good lie-in. So useful for tired people.
What about you, Eileen? What do you usually do on weekends?
It depends. Sometimes I'm a homebody. I stay home all weekend.
Homebody? What's that?
A homebody is a person who prefers staying at home instead of going out. I read books, binge-watch shows on Netflix, or cook something nice.
Binge-watch. That's when you watch many episodes in a row, right?
Exactly. Last weekend, I binge-watched a whole season in one day. Sometimes I run errands on Saturday morning, go to the supermarket, clean the house, do laundry.
Ah, yes. Errands are small tasks you need to do.
But on Sunday, I like to go for a walk or meet family. We have lunch together and catch up.
Catch up. Talk and share news because we haven't seen each other for a while?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, now let's talk about last weekend. What did you do last weekend, Eileen?
Last weekend was relaxing. On Saturday, I slept in, then I went shopping with my sister. We had coffee and talked a lot. On Sunday, I just stayed home and read a book. How about you?
My last weekend was busy. On Friday night, I went out with friends. We had dinner and saw a movie. Saturday morning, I ran errands, then I cleaned my room. In the afternoon, I hung out at the park. Sunday, I caught up on sleep and binge-watched my favorite show.
Sounds fun. So many good phrases. Went out, slept in, ran errands, caught up on sleep.
Wow, time flies. We hope you learned some new English words today like
Chill out, hang out, catch up on sleep, have a lie-in, homebody, binge-watch, run errands, go for a walk.
and many simple sentences to talk about your weekend.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, how was your weekend? Or what are your plans for next weekend?
How was your weekend? Or what are your plans for next weekend? We love reading your answers. It's great English practice.
Thank you so much for watching the Lexicon Ledger.
Have a wonderful weekend and see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.